So hello there, I'm going to today talk about VidIQ. In this video I'm going to show you all of their features and how useful they are, how you can use them in simple ways to actually get you followers, subscribers, views, engagement and everything in between, even going your videos viral if you learn how to do it properly. Now today I'm going to just go through features so you can see how simple and cool it is. First we have on the right side your channel stats. It's going to track your views, subscribers, watch times, retention, etc. It's going to also give you a goal progress. Now once you create your account, it's going to ask you to set your goals, you know, milestones, stuff like that you can set, and it actually kind of inspires you every day to keep going because it actually shows how fast you are progressing and how good you are becoming in creating content and so on. So there are also certain goals that you need to meet. Again, not required, it's more like for inspirational purposes, but still, you know, it's pretty cool. And then we also have a subscriber overview, how much subscribers you get every day, at which time people are watching your content, kind of important. Your competitors, you can also set your own competitors. I just put, you know, the first few that I could remember in my niche. And you also have your growth plan progress that basically are tips and tricks from them to actually become a better creator overall. Now first let's go to a left side here, let's go to optimize section. On optimize section is going to basically enable you to optimize all of your video, to see all of your posted video at once, even the shorts and long ones, and you can optimize their thumbnails, description, titles. It's give you kind of score. It tells you if the thumbnail titles, everything is good or not. This is mostly from SEO perspective, so from like optimization from algorithm more than actually optimization for users and people. So again, don't take this too seriously, but do keep in mind that optimizing your thumbnails, title, tags, description is quite important to get you ranked better on YouTube. You also have videos right here. If you have shorts, it's going to get shown here. I have a couple of them, they're pretty old. Anyways, we go to generate right here. It's actually a way to generate your video from the scratch with help of an AI. It's going to give you a complete video in a sense. Not video, you still need to film the video yourself, but it's going to give you ideas for your title, for tags, keywords, description, thumbnails from some of your, probably also going to check thumbnails of your competitors, compare with them, hook for your video, outline. It's going to give you a full script AI generated that you can use, or you can rewrite and use some of it, and even voiceover down below which you can download and also rephrase if you want, you use some different. So pretty cool in my opinion. This is also all of part of the boost plan, which is only like what, 15 bucks or something per month. Then we have a thumbnails, which is a completely free AI generator for your thumbnails, for your images. You can generate anything, and I showed you one of other videos. I show how you can type anything, gardening guide for example right here, and it showed me these 3 images, right? They also look pretty cool, and you can use them as is. You can download them or you can edit them right here. Change here, it says text. This is because I changed the title. I deleted one and put the title. I'm not going to do it right now because it takes a long process. It's not going to be able to create a simple video, so just type anything here, for example race cars review, not sure, whatever your niche is, type it, click enter, and it's going to create you 3 different versions of your keyword, and based on it, it's give you kind of best results. You can choose obviously, and you can edit and do whatever. And you can also use the references as files from your computer's subject as like a person, and videos, stuff like that. Videos don't even need to be yours. You can use YouTube videos and upload and like, oh, use this video as a reference to create my thumbnail, whatever. Result looks pretty good to me, awesome, amazing. You can edit them, you can, you know, refresh them, create something better and stuff like that. As we go to keywords, the biggest one of this service is the keywords feature. Now keywords the most important one because you will need to know how to use it, and you will need to get the traffic to your channel. Now depending on your channel niche or category, however you want to call it, depending how well your keywords will work and how well your channel be able to rank online. Now because I'm in make money online niche, or specifically affiliate marketing niche, I'm getting all these make money suggestions to create, you know, content about digital marketing, how to make money, etc, etc. On the right side have the rising keywords. Actually these are the keywords that have nothing to do with my channel. These are just overall rising keywords on YouTube that are just now trending, I guess you could say, and you could check the full list and maybe find something that fits somewhere in your niche, and you can see how many people are actually almost like 2 million people are searching for I'm music reaction, whatever that is, right? And you can create content on that, you can get part of the traffic. Now let's just, for example, type racing car review once again to see this niche. Once you type something like this, it's going to display right here. Now on this left side with this graph, you can see colors, you can see this meter thing like numbers and stuff. It's going to basically tell you red is high, very high, that's bad, green is good, as you can guess. Now medium is usually yellow or orange depending on which side is going. The greener it is, the better, the brighter the color it is, the easier it is to rank for and less competition you have. More red it is, it's hard to compete, and it's almost impossible to kind of compete with that audience. Now because I said the racing car review, it probably pulled out some weird and different videos. You can see also competitors what kind of videos are creating in that niche, racing car, formula, different formulas and stuff like this. But if we just put one word, for example racing, just press enter, there's almost 28,000 monthly searches for the racing keyword. So that's just one keyword that gets 300,000, but because it's such a broad term, it's very competitive. So it's almost impossible, not almost, it's impossible for a very new channel to compete. It says very high competition, 96, it's basically impossible. But we can, based on that, find sub niches and more specific keywords that you as a new channel literally starting right now could actually get some traffic without actually paying for ads, without actually competing with anyone. So if we press right here related keywords, it's going to show us a list of keywords that are related to racing or that have that term inside them but are more sub niched, I guess you could say. And if we click here competition on very low, switch to from very high to very low, you can find everything that goes very low. This gets 3,000 searches. NASCAR weekly series, NASCAR weekly. So if you can create content on NASCAR weekly series, maybe a compilation or maybe funny moments or crazy moments or something like that, you can get 3,000 people on your video, literally 5.3, meaning there's like maybe 2 people creating videos, if that at all. So that's one specific term, and you can put hundreds or thousands of these specific keywords terms inside of your videos, inside of description, title, tags, thumbnails, whatever, right? To get as much as exposure as possible for each of these keywords. Has a different searches per month, different people are searching, thousands, 2,000, 7,000, again 58,000 NASCAR highlights. Just creating compilation or highlights, you can get portion of 58,000 people per month just on that one specific keyword. Now again, this keyword is in the medium, so your channel would need to be a little bit established, have a couple of videos saying, you would need to have some score of ranking, some ranking here and there, but nothing crazy. Still 40 is below 50, so it's below average of medium. It's more likely gearing toward the easy than actually medium, but still this is one of the niches. Again, you can see all of these crazy numbers. Now again, some will be harder than others to compete with, but it's still pretty cool. We have also matching terms. Now matching terms will give you the same term plus another word, extra 1, 2 or 3 words, right? Car racing or Red Bull racing, very high because everybody obviously knows about Red Bull. Maybe many people are even covering about Red Bull. But if we go again, competition, right here, click it. If it doesn't show anything, it means there is no, basically, the tool cannot even detect any specific competition, so which probably means there is no competition, and there's a lot of search. But these terms are more specific. Hill climbing racing hill climbers versus motocross bike. Now some of the terms might not be correct, right? You don't want to put incorrect words in title or something that doesn't make sense, but you can put them in tags or somewhere, place them in description that people won't see it as like generic or whatever, or use them in sentences and stuff like that. It still counts and it will still give you a lot of traffic. So yeah, it's super easy to figure out, to just playing around with keywords, finding the perfect keyword. You can also go to questions based on racing. Let's see, how to build a racing FPV, whatever that is, 4,000 people, literally nobody created a video about that. how to get free cars in rocket racing, 6,000 monthly searches. Nobody create video about. Cool. So many things you could go about, and all of these, again, in one video you can put like hundreds of these keywords, cover hundreds of different questions, topics, whatever, right? You get a lot of searches for specific others. Anyway, video is pretty long, so I'm going to stop right here. The VidIQ has a lot of other cool tools like Outliers. Basically gives you a way to compare your videos with your competitors, build cool video like them. Ideas, that will give you a lot of ideas. Many people have problems with what will I create content about. This will scan your content, scan your videos, scan your account, and will give you, based on your videos, will give you ideas. You know, what's trending now, what people are searching for, what would be awesome for you to create video about, what specific topic, keyword, whatever, right? Then we also have Create, again, another AI tool, pretty cool. It's going to give you ability to create a video from scratch, preview your topics, titles, compare it with your competitors, everything. Basically, you get all of the data from here. You can also go to Coach. Now Coach is like a ChatGPT, just free inside of your VidIQ plan. There is no credits, or I didn't find them, so don't take my word for it, but I didn't find them. You can also use Basic or Advanced. Advanced is more tailored to your channel. Basic is more general to overall YouTube tips, tricks, and so on. And you can type whatever, it give you, you know, like ChatGPT give you answer. Competitors are your competitors that you can select and you can compare your videos to. Pretty useful because you can see their own views, how much views they get per hour, per week, per month, so on. SEO specifically, this is just for editing thumbnails, titles, tags, stuff like that. So you can, if you have old videos that maybe don't perform as good as they did before, you can edit them here from one basically screen. You can find them here, edit them, change tags, change thumbnails, and stuff like that. Subscribers is going to tell you your subscribers, as well as the best time to post your videos, best days, best hours, when most people are hanging out, when your audience is hanging out. Also top channels from other creators, when they are getting the most subscribers, etc. You can go to Learn to get free, basically you get free courses from these creators over here. I watched few of them, they added much more since then. If you go to any of these people, let's say this girl right here, she has a whole hour, it's like a podcast course. You have everything unlocked for free. You can watch, you can learn from these creators, have amazing channels. Hopefully you like this video. If you did like this, subscribe, follow, comment, whatever, engage as well in any way you can, any way you want. And if you want to try this out, click the link in the description. I will leave my affiliate link. That's also a way to support me if you want. That will also give you access to this cool tool that I show you right now how to use, and it's pretty useful. Just play around with it. There is not much that you can really screw here. It's literally everything's made to make your channel grow, to make you become better creator. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.